Hard at him, I fear his cabin lights are rather dim. Chomps away, our air's flame was stern. We're off on a wild goose chase, ever simple mission, position, the whereabouts of your farm. We're off in the best swim, blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found your farm. Excuse me, sir, cat tails advancing from the rear. What? Barnacles, cat tails do not advance. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot. Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you. Stand back or I'll peck. Ooh, be still my working legs. I'm gonna be goose. What are you doing here? I've come to take you home. Your mother's carrying on something fearful. My mother? You seen my mother? Of course. She sent me to fetch you. Listen here, cat. I'm in command right here, and my squadron is taking personal charge of this suckling safe return to his new mother. Well, I wouldn't try my flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns? We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over. If they're powering up the flight, we want to. Silence in the right place. No, sir. Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go over to the chute, then I'll let you know when they're packing up for the day. Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your protector. It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greylight, I would like to welcome you all to this afternoon's flight from Boggy Marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you please observe the safety procedures that we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air the Fluffy Skies.
We're off to join this duckling is not so calm. We won't be back until we found your. The coast is clear. They're pointing their guns away. Are you sure? I'm one on my line. Good. All right, men. Final check. Oh, use a parachute. For you. For me? Oh, you don't think I'm gonna leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh no, you're coming with us. Oh, cat litter.